Hey. Captain Chris Johnson here. Hold on. Marty. Okay. How's it going, everybody? Yes, I'm still fired up from the nice little trip that we took a couple days ago. As most of you know, or if you don't know, Unpassive has purchased 2 major floors in Dubai. I almost said Hyderabad. I'm a little off my game today. Very exciting. Floor 134 and 151, which actually puts us at the top, which I'm really excited about. I had a few people that gave me a phone call today. They wanted in on it. I'm very excited that they wanted. I'm not sure who they were, but send them a link and boom, they're in, guys. That's what you do. That's why you get out and talk about it. I kind of told you when this big event happened, you're going to be the hunted. We've said it all along, okay? People want to change their lives, and that's exactly what these people did today. They changed their lives, and it took them about 2 minutes to do it. So keep talking about it. Keep sharing. Show about Dubai. Don't let it stop you. You are going to change people's lives every single day. All right, let me tell you what's going on. Number 1, Red Redford. Marty DeGarmo just did 2 excellent lives. Red did, I suggest you go watch both. Red kind of did like a history of Dubai and the size and all that. Red is really good at doing that. So please go to Red's YouTube channel and check it out. And Marty DeGarmo just did another great live. You got to go watch them though. Go to their YouTube channels and check that out. I also want to do a shout out for my brother Bill Must and John White. I just shared one of their videos a little while ago. It's on my Facebook. Please check that out. And I always thank Bill Must and John White, Timmy Johnson for everything they always do for us. Make sure you check out their channels and give a hey Bill, thanks a lot. Hey John, thanks a lot. Hey Timmy, thanks a lot. Guys, do you understand where we're at right now? Okay, we sparked it off the other day. I had the honor and privilege with 19 other people, leaders and founders, to go to Boston. Boom, baby. We flew into Boston. We got that party started. None of us knew what he was going to do. It was very exciting for me. It was emotional. It was very emotional, too, for me. Myself and Peter Scher, we've talked about this for many years in the when we worked for Ford Motor Company. And we always said, someday, Pete, someday that moment's going to come. And, man, that was our moment. But it's all of our moments, okay? Do you understand? Marty just touched on this a minute ago. That $97 business. You bought a business for $97. Go out and try to start a business, folks. Go out and try to start a multi-billion-dollar business, folks. $97. I'm still laughing at it. I'm still in amazement what I joined a year and a half ago for $97. And it keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and better. And I'm really excited about it. And I'm asking you guys, I want to help you again. Share my lives. I don't put links on it. If anyone shares this live, all right, get back to that person and ask them all about Unpassive. You don't even have to ask them. I'm telling you right now, just get in this. All right? Don't be a fool. This is humongous. Right now, and my brother Marty always says this, where we're at right now, we haven't even launched yet. Where we're at right now, some businesses never even got close to the level we're at right now. The value, the products, all right, buildings in every high-tech city. And guess what? We're putting another office in Dubai, in a bigger part. It just keeps getting better, and it doesn't stop. 2 o'clock today, we got the roundtable. Do I know if Ash Mafara is coming on that? I have no idea, but he's been pretty consistent because one time I said he was coming on, he didn't come on, and boy, y'all got mad at the big head here. But that's okay. I can deal with that. So what I say now and what Red says and Marty says, we don't know. Surprise, the roundtable's open for discussion. And guess what? Here's the greatest thing about my day. Susie McCray went on a well-deserved vacation in Mexico. She asked me to fill in for her. Man, am I nervous. I got to fill those shoes. I'm going to do the best I can there. So 2 o'clock, that link is in the back office. Make sure that you check it out. Get on there and listen. I hope Ash does come on there. But if he doesn't, get on there and listen to the people's questions they have, because maybe you have that question and you can educate yourself on something. We have a lot of new people that's been signing up. The day that we launched the big event, I had 9 people. 9 people, no idea who they were. Boom, Chris, I got to get in this. Because now they saw it. Now they understood what the heck I've been trying to say for a year and a half. And this is just the start, guys. This is the spark of Unpassive. More to come, bigger, better. We just did the one event. Ash said there's going to be multiple events following that. All right? When we get that information, we are going to light you up with what's going on. The next event, the next event. We're going to keep you fired up. You're not going to be able to sleep. You can hate me for that because I don't want you to sleep. I want you to concentrate on Unpassive and what it's going to do for you. And yeah, I'm sitting in my tore up sunroom right now because I have construction going on in the house again. A lot of banging. So I'm in the cold. I'm out in the cold. It's snowing in Michigan, for crying out loud. Come on, Mother Nature, give us a break here. But guys, let me tell you what. You don't understand. You still don't get it. If you don't get it, man, I don't know what to tell you. Dubai! Do you understand? We are the first company ever to advertise on that building. And let me get to what I'm really excited about. Come Wednesday on Unpassive 360 with Marty DeGarmo, Red Redford, and old Captain Chris Johnson here, we are going to be interviewing live on Unpassive 360. I'm saying live on Unpassive 360, Muhammad Kamal, the one who was, well, let's say he was the guy. Kept it a secret from all of us. He's the one that was working on the project with Ash to get that beautiful advertisement out there. All right, so very, very interested. That'll be on Wednesday at 12 o'clock noon, EDT or EST, whatever we say these days. And we want you guys to get on it, listen to the questions we're going to ask Muhammad. Muhammad, I'm very proud of you, brother, for what you did and for keeping it a secret. Boy, I tell you what, that was one hard secret, I bet, to keep. But anyway, guys, 2 o'clock, get on there today. Ask your questions, have a discussion, make a comment. That's what it's there for. And stay excited. Let me tell you something. I woke up again this morning, every morning now, thinking, my God, my goodness, what did I get myself into? I got myself into the best business in the world, and I own it. You own it. You're part of a multi-billion-dollar, I'm going to say trillion-dollar company. That ain't a company, it's a family. It's a family that's going to keep giving. Oh, bless. Angels, get your wings ready. We're about ready to fly, guys, okay? Get those projects in order. That is going to be very rewarding for all of us. And I did say Ash Mufareh will be setting up some kind of webinar for everyone that's interested. Man, I hope I see 20,000 people on that webinar. I want to see 20,000 people on that webinar. And the greatest thing is, I hope it's once we launch O Connect, he does it, because we can get millions of people on that one with O Connect. So I'm real excited about that. But stay plugged in. You don't have to be on every webinar, okay? But get on once or twice. Watch myself, Red Redford, Marty DeGarmo's lives. We try to inform you of everything that's going on. We don't know everything. But all I know is this cat right here was in Boston, sitting with 19 of really good friends of mine that are Unpassive leaders. They're all leaders. And there's the Ash Mufareh. We had dinner. All right, we had talks, intimate talks, and it was amazing. It was totally amazing, and I can't wait for all of you to experience that. All right, events are coming, folks. They're coming. Don't know where yet, but I know they're coming. And he said they're going to keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And then, boom, baby, we're off to the world, launched to the world. Can you imagine that? Some of you have been waiting 3.5 years. And then you got some people saying, well, God, Chris, he's never, ever going to launch it. You got that wrong, because he's going to launch. He's done everything perfect and correct, and I love him for what he's done. He's truly a very, very humble guy, and firsthand, I've known it all along, but to meet him in person, sit down and talk with him, we took thousands of pictures of everyone that was there, and it was just a lot of fun. We have posted these everywhere, and I know everyone is blasting about Dubai, and people are fired up. I know the founders are. It's up to all of us now to reach out, get to those people that we care about, and get them in this, right? Remember, you're buying a business for $97. $97, okay? You don't have to go out and buy a building. You don't have to go get a lawyer. It's all done for you. I can't say anything else. So, hey guys, thank you once again for jumping on me. I don't get all the big numbers, but I don't care, because I got, right now, the people that are on this, you're important to me. You know that. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. God bless you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you have thousands more years ahead of you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Still reaching out to the Ukrainians and Russia. We're praying for you guys to stop this lousy war. Oh, bless is coming. Do you understand that, what a bless is going to do? You know, let me tell you a couple of my ideas. Of course, you all know I'll part with Pete and Ash to get going with the homelessness. Hey, man, I got different things I will be doing also. I've talked to Marty, Rob, and Julie about it. Man, I'm going to be going to gas stations, okay, when this gets going, and I'm going to be putting gas in people's car on my dime, okay? That's what I want to do. I'm going to be going to supermarkets, looking for those people with, maybe it's a single mom or dad. I'm going to be helping them out. You're going to see this big head everywhere I can, everywhere you can, and I'm going to be helping people out. That's the way I want you to think. And yes, I'm definitely going to enjoy my life, because I'm still going to go fishing. I'm still going to do some traveling. I'm going to go all over the world as far as I'm concerned, but all over the world, people need help, and I want to be there for them. Every one of us got into this for one reason, and it all changed, realizing what we can actually do for people. So keep that in your brain, all right? We love to give. We love to be successful. You got both for $97. Excuse me, I didn't bring my water out here. Bill Must, John White, I love you guys to death. My God, I forgot to say hi to everybody. Let me scroll down. Maybe it'll work right. Mahfouz is in the house from Bangladesh, my leader. David Switzer, how you doing, brother? Pam Stanowich, how you doing? Gemma, what's happening? Joyce Parker Hicks is in the house, my Michigan angel and my good friend. Pat Parrott, another live monster. Man, we got Joyce, Pat Parrott, Sherry, Jay Mookie. You guys are doing lives like crazy. David Switzer is now a live monster. Keep doing what you're doing, guys. Get out to these people. Don't stop. Ash Mafara is giving us something that's so great that none of us ever had the opportunity to be in. It's up to us to get out and share with many people as we can. Bill Must. Oh, you're right, Bill. I love this guy. Bill Must. Bill Must, you ready to get those fingers grooving? Keep making those great videos. I know also Marty and John White, with the help of Bill Must, will be making another YouTube video. It's going to be great, because everything they do is great. When that comes out, we'll blast it everywhere. Rupal Paul, my beautiful sister from India, what's happening? Dawn McIntyre, and I got a lot of beautiful sisters. Hey, there ain't no one ugly than Passive. Even this guy looks sexy in a Passive, man. Woo! MD, what's happening? Islam, how you been? Who am I missing? Mazurul, how you doing? I'm going to have a hard time saying these names on the 2 o'clock, so I apologize now. Annetta Curry, how you doing? Joyce Parker Hicks. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's get this going. Keep people fired up. My God, you better be happy. You better be happy, because you have no idea what's coming your way. You really don't. I found out this week that I was in Boston that I don't even know how big it is. But guess what? I do now. I know what's coming. It's a secret. Be ready. All right, what do they say? Strap. What does Tim Dillon, you say? Strap that seatbelt on. Get ready for the ride. All right, we're going to hit every gear. We're already at the top, folks. We're ahead of the game. We are ahead of the game. So be ready. All right, I got to go. I got to get ready for the 2 o'clock. I love every one of you. Thank you for the support. Share this out. Let's get people to join and Passive before the founder position is done. Do you understand that? Once the marketing campaigns start, as far as I know, there's going to be no more founders allowed. Yeah, we could do resellers, but the perk is in the founding position. Don't be afraid to talk about it. If you are, use me. Man, you can use me. I don't care. Let me help you build your team. Everyone that joins, all right, it adds up for all of us, all right? The more people we get in this before we launch, the more beautiful it's going to be, okay? So share this out. Share this out. All you auto workers, I'm calling you out, all right? Anyone that works, period, I'm calling you out. Get in this. Ask us for invite links. It's $97, period, all right? Or you could just keep doing those nasty 60, 70-hour work weeks. That ain't squat. That ain't squat. And all it does is eat your body and take your time. Get it all back with Impassive. I love every one of you. We'll see you later. Bill Musk, let's get that YouTube rolling. Woo! See y'all later.